Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a seasonal favorite that's not only delicious but also incredibly healthy: pumpkin. So, grab your favorite pumpkin spiced latte and let's dive into the wonderful world of pumpkin and its health benefits. Pumpkins aren't just for carving and decorating during Halloween. These vibrant orange gourds are packed with nutrients that can boost your health in various ways. Number 1. Nutrient-rich. Pumpkins are incredibly nutrient-dense. They're rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision, skin health, and a strong immune system. Number 2. High in fiber. They're also high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and can even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Number 3. Low in calories. One of the best things about pumpkin is that it's low in calories but still provides that satisfying feeling, making it a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. Number 4. Antioxidants. Pumpkins are loaded with antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer. Number 5. Heart health. The potassium content in pumpkins can support heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. Number 6. Skin benefits. Pumpkin is not only good for your insides but also for your skin. It contains vitamins and antioxidants that can help keep your skin looking radiant. Number 7. Versatile ingredient. Host, on camera. One of the best things about pumpkins is their versatility. You can use them in a wide range of recipes, from soups and smoothies to desserts like pumpkin pie. In conclusion, pumpkins are a nutritional powerhouse that can offer a multitude of health benefits. So, this fall, be sure to make the most of this seasonal gem and incorporate it into your meals. Thank you for joining us today on our channel. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. And remember, eating healthy can be delicious too. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.